What's happening, people? My name is Mr. Pastic, and this is my AP Calculus AB open house video. So if you're watching this, hopefully your child is a student in the AP Calculus AB class. So without further ado, first I'm going to show you is a little bit about Microsoft Teams. This is our one-stop shop for communication and all things education this year. Here is what this looks like when you open it up. These are all of the teams that I belong to. So this is what your kids will see with all of their different classes. So the first thing I would do is go over here to AP Calculus AB. And you're going to see here we're on the General Posts tab. And in here, we're also going to see basically every kind of communication that we need for each day. So you're going to see messages from me, you're going to see messages from the students, all these different things. You're going to see notes that I post when we take notes on problems that we do in class. You're going to see any kind of messages, any kind of comms that I need to have the students see or the students need to have me see will be done through here. Of course, there's also email, but this is kind of where we want to keep most of the communication. And the next place you want to look is the Files section. In the Files section, you're going to have any kind of resources that the students need for the class. So you're going to see I have two folders, Trig Review and Units 1, Limits and Continuity. And in here, you're going to have homework answers, you're going to have flowcharts, you're going to have the actual homework, you're going to have the answers for the notes, you're going to have the notes themselves. Any resource the student needs to be successful in this class will be posted here, other than YouTube, but also up here, if you go to the search, there's a YouTube drop down. You can type in my name, and voila, you will have access to all, hopefully at some point. So yeah, that didn't work, but normally that does work, and even if it doesn't, we always have workarounds nowadays. So here's my YouTube channel. The kids, this is basically the only other thing the kids need, other than the files and everything I put in Microsoft Teams. The next place that kids should be looking is on the Assignments tab. This tab is going to be used for all things assignments. So you can see you've got Unit 1, days work done, Quiz 1, 1-7 to 1-9, all the different assignments that there's going to be throughout the year are going to be posted here. You'll see quizzes are posted here. That's mainly if somebody's working from home, they can hand it in through here as well. So assignments, files for your resources, and posts for your communications. Those are the three main tabs that I'll be using, and those are the three places kids want to check to make sure they're up to date. The next thing I'll show you a little bit more of is my YouTube channel. So in here, you can go to YouTube, you can type my full name in, and you will see all of this. These are all the videos I've done for all classes. In here, you're also going to have playlists. There's one specific to AP Calculus. And as you can see, I've created a whole bunch of videos for AP Calculus so far this year. And the kids are basically going to use these as a resource when they're not in class. So like I said before, the majority, if not all of everything that they need is on either YouTube or on Microsoft Teams. And the next thing I'll talk a little bit about is how class is being run this year. So at the beginning of each unit, the students will be given two sets of work. They're going to be given the notes, which looks like this. These are the notes. You have objectives for each day and what pages they're on. So if I go to day 1, here's all the notes that they will be filling in. They will also be provided an electronic copy of this file with all of the notes filled in. So their job is to basically go home, fill in the notes, try to learn as much as they can by doing that, and then they're going to come to certain pages. What I've done is I've tried to pinpoint the most difficult sections of each day of notes and make a video. So you can use your phone to open up your camera and scan the QR here, and that'll be a video of me showing how to do this problem. And if you keep going, there should be another one at some point here. Keep scrolling, there's another one that I found important. So basically everywhere where I think it's important or there's something more difficult, I'm trying to give them a secondary aid, not just the notes and the problems done out, but also a video of me going through those things and talking about those things. So their job is to go home, take the notes, watch the videos, start working on the homework. The homework then looks like this. So when they come into class, basically it's just, are there any questions on the notes? Are there any questions on the videos? Is there anything that I didn't hit that you need me to hit? Then we start talking about homework. Do you need me to talk about answers for the homework? Are there ones in the homework that we didn't get done? basically the whole class is going to be decided on how the kids want class to run. So if they want to come in and they want to do specific homework problems the whole time, that's what we're going to do. If they want me to go back and reteach something from the notes that the videos didn't hit, that's what we're going to do. So a lot of it does rely on the kids more than ever because of the way things are structured this year. So we've got the notes with all the objectives. They have the blank copy, they have a filled in copy online. They have the homework, which is blank until I post the answers, which I typically do after each day is done. And then other than that, we have the quizzes and tests, which we're trying to find a nice balance of how to do those in class and out of class. And that's pretty much how class is running this year. I was going to show you one of the videos on here, but I tried it with one of my other videos, and when you play the audio through the computer, it gets like a nice echo to it. But you can see they're all right here. Again, just search my name when you go to YouTube and you'll find all this, and there you can go to the calculus playlist. And there's a lot of good stuff here. You know, I'm not the best YouTuber at this point, but I'm doing my best to try and be organized and provide as much structure and support for the kids as possible. And other than that, that's pretty much all I've got, I think. There was actually one other video that I posted that you might want to have, we might want to take a look at some point. I think all the kids got it down, but there's a video in here where I showed people how to submit work using their phones, using Office and Teams. So that would be a good one to watch as well. And then that's pretty much it. So I hope this answered some of your questions. I hope it was helpful in some way. I know this is a little weird for all of us, but we're doing the best we can, and I look forward to hopefully seeing some of you on open house. So take it easy, y'all, and I'll catch you next time. Bye-bye.